next question we are going to discuss here is question number 7 of NCERT exercise 12.1. And in this question we have to not only minimize but maximize as well to this function z equal to 5x plus 10y subject to the constraints x plus 2y equal or greater or less than 20, x plus y equal or greater than 60, and x minus 2y equal or greater than 0. In such cases, okay, the area will be all different from the earlier questions. How? First we will draw the line as usual on putting x equal to 0 and x equal to 0 we will get y equal to 60, and y equal to 0 we get x equal to 120. So here we'll draw on the graph paper, we'll draw the point 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 as x is 0, y is 60. So this is our point 0, 60. Now the other point, when we put y equal to 0, x equal to 120. So this is the point y equal to 120, 0. And when we join these points, we get the line x plus 2y equal to 120. Similarly, for the line x plus y equal or greater in equation x plus y equal or greater than 60, we'll draw the line for x plus y equal to 60. So when x is 0, y is 60, y is 0, x is 60. So this is the point 0, 60, and this is the point 60, 0. When we join, we'll get this line as x plus y equal to 60. Now we'll come across the third line. This is a very important concept to study here. X minus 2y equal or greater than 0. So when we put x equal to 0, y equal to 0 in this line, what we get? 0 equal or greater than 0, and x equal to 0, y equal to 0 is passing through which line? Which point? Origin. So from origin we'll get a straight line here. As we put x equal to 40, x equal to 40, we'll get what? Y equal to 20, right? So this is the point from which it is passing. If we suppose we put x equal to 60, so we'll get y equal to 30. So from this point also it is passing. Now we'll talk about the feasible reason. As you see that in the first in equation, x plus 2y equal or less than 120, and from earlier questions we have already understood whenever there is a equal or less sign, that means the area including origin will be our answer, our feasible reason. As we put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, so 0, 1 less than 120. So this is the triangle. This triangle, the bigger one, the bigger triangle is the solution for the line x plus 2y equal to 120. Correct? For the second line, x plus y equal or greater than 60. So this is our second line, right? This one. And equal or greater than 60 means when you put 0, 0 in this, we get what? 0 greater than 60, which is not true. That means 0, 0 will not be included in the feasible reason of this line. So the area for this line is above here, the red lines, and for the line x plus 2y equal to 120 is not only this area but as well this area. Okay, for this is for this line, the red portion is there, the area above this line, the area below this line. Now we'll talk about the third line, that is x minus 2y equal or greater than 0. तो पहले क्वेश्चन ये आ सकता है आपके दिमाग में कि इधर का एरिया लें या इधर का एरिया लें, कौन सा एरिया? So it's very simple. You put a point, take a point from this side. Suppose this is a point 0, 20. What is to be supposed? It is 0, 20 only. So when we put x equal to 0, y equal to 20, so minus 40 greater than 0, which is not true. So this area will not be included. Clear? And suppose we take a point from here, either 40 comma 0 or 100 comma 0. So what happens? See, 40 comma 0, that means 40 greater than 0, correct. 100, when we put 100 comma 0 in this line again, so we get 100 greater than 0. So this is, so for this line which is passing through the origin, so area will be what? Area will what? This green area, this green area, this area plus this area. Now we can see that the common region is the red, blue, green, this area. So this is our feasible region which is satisfying all the lines, right? Now what we have to do? We have to find the minimum and maximum value of z. That means this 5x plus 10y at each corner point of this feasible region. The first point is 60, 0, that is A. The other point is 120, 0, that is B. Then the point C, 60, 30, and the point D, where they are intersecting, that is 40, 20. Many a times, when you are drawing these lines on a graph paper, you will exactly get these points without solving these equations to find the intersection lines, intersection points. But in some cases where they are coming in fractions like 120 by 7, in that case only you have to solve this to get the exact intersecting point. Here it is very clear that the 4 points are 60, 0, 120, 0, 60, 30, and 40, 20. So this is our z, 5x plus 10y. We will put 60, 0 here, 65 is 300. Then we put a 120, 0, that is 600, plus 0, that is 600, right? Then 60, 30, 65 are 300, and 30 times are 300 again. So this will be 300 plus 300 again 600. And finally 40, 20, 40, 20. So 45 are 200 and 20 times are 200. So the total is 400. Now we can see that the minimum value of z is 300 at point 60, 0, and the maximum value of z is 600 at 2 points. Which are these 2 points? That is 120, 0 and 60, 30. Understood? Thank you.